Hi friends, welcome to the channel Soft Skills by Bala. Today we shall discuss how to win. Imagine you are planning to win a game or you are planning to win in your life. So how can we do it? First of all, have a goal. If you don't have a goal, you can't achieve it. So make sure that you have a goal to achieve. Only when you have a goal, you can think of achieving it and becoming successful. So the first requirement is to have goals in life. When you think of a goal, please write it down. You have to write your goals. Why? If you only have it in mind, you may forget after some time. Many of us are busy in our lives and we may not be able to remember everything that we plan in our mind. So we need to write our goals. If we write our goals, we will have focus and we will have clarity of what we need to achieve. And also, as we are in the process of achieving, we can evaluate ourselves. So that is why we need to write our goals and then make sure the paper on which you write, you paste on the place where you see every day. Maybe on the refrigerator, maybe on the board if you have the board, or on any place, maybe on your table. Paste your goals, the sheet where you have written the goals, paste it on the place where you can see it every day. So it will remind you every day so that you can achieve your goal. Now, imagine you have a very big goal. So can we become successful on a fine day, on a single day? Obviously, no. So how do we do it? Break the big goal into small goals. You have to make them so small that you should understand what you need to do on each day. So imagine you have a goal that you want to achieve in 30 days. You should have a clarity on what you should do on each day. So divide it into 30 parts and then plan what you should do on each day. And then make sure that you are becoming successful every day in these 30 days. Then obviously at the end of the 30th day, definitely you will become successful. So imagine you have to do something tomorrow. Have a plan for tomorrow's activity. When do you plan? Not in the morning, not tomorrow morning. You have to plan today evening. So before you sleep, you have a plan for what you should do tomorrow. So when you get up in the morning tomorrow, you will start doing it. We have to understand one thing. We may have to do so many activities, but try to delegate the activities that are not important to you. You have to do that only thing that will give you results. Keep the first things first. Keep the main things main. So do only those activities which give you success. So that is how we can be focused. So if you plan every day what you should do the next day, definitely you will be able to do it. Some of us are like rocking horse. We are busy throughout the day, but we don't achieve anything. We may be helping somebody else all the time to do their work. That will not lead us anywhere. So have a clear-cut goal of what you should do on that particular day and then do it. Don't sleep before you do that activity. So if you continue like this, definitely you will become successful. Nobody has won a big goal, nobody has achieved a big goal on a single day. They have broken it into pieces and they worked every day. So, if we also do the same, definitely we will become successful. Okay, friends, I wish you all the best for your successful life. Thank you.